Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will understand data independence in DBMS, which is a very important concept for exam. So let's start with the definition. Data independence is the ability to change the schema at one level of database system without affecting the schema at the next higher level. This is achieved by the updating the mapping between schema levels instead of changing the entire system. Now let's move to the types of data independence. So there are two types. First one is logical data independence and second one is physical data independence. So now first one is logical data independence. So in logical data independence, which means we can modify the conceptual schema without affecting external schema or application program. This operates between the external level and the conceptual level. Here external conceptual mapping is used. Now when this is required, it is required when we add new entities or attribute, modifying constraints or remove the unnecessary data. And how it is achieved? We can make only changes in the conceptual schema and updating the mapping. The user view and application program remains unchanged. Now let's move to the physical data independence. So in physical data independence means we can modify the internal schema without affecting the conceptual schema. This operates between the conceptual level and the internal level. Here conceptual internal mapping is used. When it is required, it is needed when we change the file organization, create instances or modifying storage structure. And how it is achieved? Only the internal schema and mapping are updated. The conceptual schema and user views remain unaffected. So let's quickly understand the difference between logical data independence and physical data independence. So logical data independence deal with the changes in the logical structure of the database, while physical data independence deal with the change in physical storage. Logical data independence is more difficult to achieve compared to physical data independence. So this is the conclusion. Data independence provides flexibility and helps in maintaining and updating the database without disturbing user or application. So this is how you write in the examination. First you write difference between logical and physical. After that you should write along with the differences in between them in the examination to get the full marks. If you want these notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel given in the description box, you go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.